guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change video background in CapCut, making problem solving simple and easy to follow. So let's jump straight into it. First of all, open the CapCut app on your phone. Once the app opens, you'll see the home screen. From here, tap on New Project to start editing a new video. After clicking on New Project, your gallery will open. Select the video you want to edit and tap on Add. This will place your main video on the timeline. Now you're on the editing screen with your video on the timeline. Here, tap on the plus icon to add more media. This is where we'll add a background. After tapping the plus icon, multiple options will appear at the bottom. From these options, tap on Overlay. Overlay allows you to add another video or picture as a background. Now choose the picture or video you want to use as your background. Select it and tap on Add. Your background will now appear as an overlay layer. Adjust and resize the overlay to properly fit the background. Make sure everything looks clean and aligned. Once you're satisfied, tap on Export to save your video with the new background. And that's how you can easily change a video background in CapCut. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to Solution Lab for more simple tech tutorials. Also, comment below if you have any questions or want to see another CapCut tip. See you in the next video.